Students, now we will learn multiplication and division of big numbers. Big numbers means 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers multiplication we are going to learn. Okay. Now, for example, one example I have written here. 5296 multiplied by 32. So, and this is another example that we'll solve afterward. So here, see here. Up till now, I hope you must have recited the tables till 20. If you have recited the tables till 20, we can easily multiply the numbers. Directly we can multiply the numbers by using the 20's table. Here number is 32, which is greater than 20. So how to multiply? Then we will multiply this number by this using one digit, means first we will multiply by 2, then we will multiply by 3, in that way. Okay, let's see. See here, I will draw the this chart. Ones, then after ones, tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then TTH. Okay, like this. This is the place value chart we will draw, and we'll put the values here. Okay, see here, 6, then 9, 2, 5. Okay, multiply by 32. Okay, then see here how to multiply. First we will multiply it by 2. 2 6 are 12. Carry 1. Okay. 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. And 2 5s are 10. Now 10 how to write? 0. Here 1 will carry and here it will be. Correct? Now we will multiply with 3. So here ones place compulsory 0 we'll have to write. Now 3 6 are 18. Whatever here numbers were there, that we will cancel now, carried numbers. Now next 3 6 are 18. 8. Carry 1. 3 9s are 27 plus 1, 28. Carry 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 3 5s are 15. Now where to write 15? See here, 5 and again 1 will be here. Okay, means here again one column will have to extend. Okay, that is lakhs column. So now add both these numbers. See, 2 plus 0, 2, 9 plus 8, 17, carry 1, 5 plus 8, 13, plus 1, 14, 4, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 1, 6, and 1 as it is. So this is the answer of this multiplication. Okay. Now we will see how to multiply. This was multiplication of 4-digit number with 2-digit number. Now there multiplication of 5-digit number with 3-digit number. Same method we have to follow that side also. See here, I will first draw here column. Okay, we'll draw here ones place and all. Ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, lakh. Up till 10 TL we will draw. Afterward we'll see. Okay. And put the number now. 41,532. Little place I have kept to carry the numbers. And it is multiplied with 163. So first what we will multiply? First we will multiply with ones. Ones place. This is from 3 we will multiply. So 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 fours are 12 here. Okay, in this way 3 fours are 12, 2 we have written here and 1 we carried, that will come here. Now next we will multiply with tens place, that is 6. So ones place 0 we will write, correct? As we are multiplying with tens place, ones place we have to write 0. So now see these numbers, whatever we carried, we have to cancel. So 6 twos are 12, carry 1, sorry, carry 1. 6 threes are 18 plus 1, 19, carry 1. 6 fives are 30 plus 1, 31, carry 3. 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 9. And 6 fours are 24. Okay. Now we will multiply with hundreds place digit. So tens, ones and tens, 0 we'll have to write. Now multiply with this 1. 1 in 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1 and 1 4s are 4. Okay. Now multiplying with all 3 digits over. So what we will do? We will add. We will do addition. We have to add. Now see 6 plus 0 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 2, 11. Carry 1. 2 plus 9, 11. Plus 5, 16. Plus 1, 17. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 4, 8. Plus 1, 9. Now 9 plus 5, 14. Plus 2, 16. 6. Carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Plus 1, 6. Plus 1, 7. And 4 plus 2, 6. In this way we have to multiply the numbers. We'll solve practice 3.5. Okay. In practice 3.5, first is this number 2,24,299 multiplied by 8. So you can draw columns also and you can draw without columns also. But in our textbook they have shown with the columns. So we will go with that method. Okay. So this is 6-digit number. So first we will draw columns, ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. This also will draw one extra. Okay. This is to carry the numbers. Now we'll put the values. This is 2,24,299 multiplied by 8. Okay. For multiplication and division, we should recite tables. Here tables are more important. If you have recited the table, then it will be very easy for you. Okay. So at least you have to recite the tables till 30. Now see here 8 nines are 72. Carry 7. Again 8 nines are 72 plus 7, 79. Carry 7. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 3 carry 2. 8 fours are 32 plus 2, 34. Carry 3. 8 twos are 16 plus 3, 19. 9 carry 1. 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry, that one will be here. In this way we can do the multiplication. Now here one multiplication of 6-digit number with 1-digit number. Here we will, in 6th question, we will see multiplication of 6-digit number with 2. Other question number 2, 3, 4, 5 you will have to do yourself. Okay. Now I will show question number 6. So here again I will draw columns, 10 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 ones. Okay. Now we'll put the number. This is 1,26,971 multiply by 56. Okay. Now as 2-digit number is there and we don't know the table of 56. So what we will do? We will multiply this number first with 6 and then with 5. One by one we will. So now see here, 6 ones are 6. Okay. Now 6 sevens are 42. That 2 we will write here, 4 we will be carrying. 6 nines are 54 plus 4, 58. 8 carry 5. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 5, very good, 41. 1 carry 4. Okay. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 6 carry 1. 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now we will cancel this carried numbers addition over, no? Then and multiplication with this 6 over everything. So we will cancel these carried numbers. Now we will multiply with 5. As 5 is there at tens place, ones place compulsory we'll have to write 0. Okay. Now see, 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 carry 3. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. 8 carry 4. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4, 34 carry 3. Again 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13 carry 1. And 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. Now we have to add. Okay. 6 plus 0 6, 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 5 13 carry 1, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10 0 carry 1, 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11 carry 1, 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11 carry 1, and 6 plus 1 7. Okay. So this is the answer. Now next is this 52,738 into 345. Okay. 10th one I'm going to solve. So now see here. First we will multiply with 5. 5 8s are 40. 0 carry 4. 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19. 9 carry 1. 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36 carry 3. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 carry 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. Okay. Now we will multiply with this number, we have to cancel now. Now multiply with 4. 4 here 0. 4 8s are 32 carry 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15 carry 1. 4 7s are 21 plus 1 29 carry 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10 carry 1. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. That 1 and 2 will be here. Okay. Now multiplication with 3. So these carried numbers we will multiply or we will rub. Okay. Now so here 2 compulsory 0. 3 8s are 24. 4 carry 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. 1 carry 1. 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22 carry 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. Okay. Now 3 5s are 15. 5 carry 1, and that will come here. So here again one box will increase. So now add this number 0, 9 plus 2, 11, carry 1. Okay. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, plus 1, 16, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 1, 14, 4, carry 1, 6, 2 plus 0, 2, plus 6, 8, plus 1, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 2, 11, carry 1, 5 plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8, and this one. In this way, we have to solve. Now see, same here. Same means 3-digit numbers. We have with 3-digit number we have to multiply. Again, same method is there. Okay. So see here, first we will multiply with 2. So 2 3s are 6. Then 2 5s are 10. 0 carry 1. 2 6s are 12. Plus 1 13. 3 carry 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. And 2 6s are 12. Okay. Now this cancel whatever we carried the numbers. Now multiplication with this 5. So 1's place compulsory 0. 5 3s are 15. 5 carry 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. Carry 2. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. Carry 3. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now add, no, now with 4s. With 4 we have to multiply. So other 1's place and 10's place 0 will be there. So 4, these numbers will subtract, we will erase. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. Carry 2. 4 6s are 24 plus 2 26. Carry 2. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. And 4 6s are 24. Here also we have to increase one column. Okay. And here we have to add now. Multiplication with all these 3 numbers over. So add 6 plus 0 plus 0 6. Here 5. 2 plus 6 plus 2 8. Plus 3 11. Carry 1. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. 6 plus 8 14. Plus 2 16. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. 4 plus 3 7. And this 2. Okay. Now last sum of practice 3.5. 28,409 multiplied by 735. So see here, again same method we have to use. One by one we will multiply. First we will multiply with 5. 5 9s are 45. So 5 carry 4. 5 into 0, 0. Plus 4 as it is. Okay. Now 5 4s are 20. 0 carry 2. 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42. 2 carry 4. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14. Okay. Now we'll multiply this, we have to cancel. Now we'll multiply with 3. So here 0 will come. 3 9s are 27. Carry 2. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 2. 3 4s are 12. Carry 1. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25. Carry 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. Okay. Now we will multiply with 7. So here 2 places 0 0 will come, and this also we have to erase. Now 7 9s are 63. 3 carry 6. 7 zeros are 0 and 6 as it is. 7 4s are 28. Carry 2. 7 8s are 56 plus 2 58. Carry 5. 7 2s are 14 plus 5 19. 9 carry 1. That here it will come, and we have to add. Okay. Now see, 5 7 plus 4 11. Carry 1. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. Carry 1. 8 plus 5 13. Plus 4 17. Plus 1 18. 8 carry 1. 8 plus 8 16. Plus 1 17. Plus 1 18. 8 carry 1. 9 plus 1 10. Carry 1. And this is 1 plus 1 2. Okay.